Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you a short painting that I do believe it's great for when you just don't feel inspired or you need something to warm up your hand or just to do a quick daily practice. And it is going to be monochrome, so I will be using only one color. For the watercolors, I'm using my own watercolors, and all the materials actually are going to be listed in the description box. So if you want to check something out, watercolors or brushes or paper, there's everything in the description box, so you can check it out there. First, I did pre-wet the entire paper. I have glued it onto MDF board just to stretch it so it doesn't warp. And then I pre-wetted it, mixed in my grayish tone of color, and started painting in the central part where I do want to have that distant land. Now I'm just adding a little bit more of the paint there and wiping my brush onto a clean towel because it was wet. I did want to dry it and pick up the paint that was just bleeding in the lower part. I don't want bleeds there. Just adding a little bit more of the movement of the sea, some waves, and then I will just dry it fully. After it's dry, again mixing same colors. I like to mix my grays because pigment does split slightly bit on a paper and just gives this beautiful texture. I guess I do like it. I like the granulation and just the variety of color that I get when I'm mixing my colors. But if you prefer using already pre-mixed color, that's fine. You can use here maybe Payne's gray. With this very thin script brush, I'm painting in first the stems for my florals and foliage, and I did want to make it a little bit darker, so I'm just adding in the lower part more paint. And now with this round brush, smaller round brush, I'm painting in leaves, and you can see I'm just doing one stroke. I'm not fussing about my leaves and just complicating with them. I'm just making it quite simple. When the paint is still wet, on a couple of them I'm adding a little bit more of the paint, making it some darker, some lighter. I do like the variety when doing that. Adding some stems with the script brush, and then adding a couple of smaller leaves. I will just add a little bit more of the details to the sea, just a couple of waves, lines, to add a slight movement and make it look like a sea, like a water. And with that, we will be finishing off this painting. As I said, this is a very quick practice. I hope you enjoyed it. You're gonna give it a try. If you don't feel inspired, well, maybe this is something you can try. I also do have a couple of more very simple monochrome paintings and other videos that might inspire you. So if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. Check out tutorials that I have, quick and longer, real time. And if you're feeling even more willing, you can check out my Patreon page. I have many tutorials, real-time tutorials there. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.